Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change lock screen pattern in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. As of now, I use this pattern. Okay, this is my pattern. I also show my pattern. So I go to settings, then security and click on smart lock settings and turn on this button so that you can see this pattern. This is my current pattern. Okay, if I would like to change this pattern to another one, yes, I can do it. If you also like it, follow this video. Just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to security and click on screen lock and try your current pattern. This is current pattern. This is for confirmation only. Okay, then now click on pattern and draw another pattern. Okay, previously you have used this pattern and now you should use another pattern to change it from old one to new one. Okay, so now I am using this pattern. Okay, I am using this pattern. I draw this pattern, again draw the same pattern to verify. Okay, yes, and click on confirm. Yes, lock screen pattern has been changed from old one to new one. Now lock your screen and try to unlock your phone. Now you have to use this pattern for unlocking your phone. So in this way you can easily change from one pattern to another pattern for screen lock in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.